Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today I'm going to do something very gutsy. The two things to not try to teach Americans are the chocolate chips cookies and the banana bread, because every family has a recipe for it. And I have kids. My wife is American, so we also have a banana cake recipe or banana bread recipe. So I have here 4 very ripe big banana. The rest of the recipe I have sugar, brown sugar, cake flour, salt, baking powder, eggs, a little bit of Greek yogurt and some olive oil. This is my recipe. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I'm going to put the recipe on the caption. So banana, I can mix that with the sugar, all the sugar, brown and white sugar. I actually can put, I'm going to keep those dry ingredients. I can certainly put that here too, the Greek yogurt. Okay, and with the paddle, I'm going to mix all that together. Now I'm going to add the eggs, 2 eggs, and 120 grams of oil, pretty much 4 ounces. Okay, 120 grams of olive oil. We're going to mix that again. So as long as you don't have the flour, you can mix as much as you want, it doesn't matter. But when you add the flour, be careful. If you mix it too much, you develop the gluten and then everything becomes a little bit too elastic. Baking powder and salt. Let's mix that together. And we add everything. I love the recipe where everything happens in the mixer. This is so much easier. Oh, one thing that I did off camera was adding a little bit of vanilla extract that we make ourselves at the factory. Now, one secret ingredient for the banana bread. Banana and rum go very well together. So add a tiny bit of rum to it, just for the flavor. The alcohol will evaporate in the oven, but you're still going to get the flavor. Okay, so I'm mixing the rum. Okay, and now we're going to put that into the mold and in the oven. Okay, I'm going to put that in the oven at 350 degrees. My guess it's at least 40 minutes, but I will let you know exactly how long. The banana bread is out of the oven. I let it cool down. I cut it, I put it on the plate. I already eat 2 pieces. So I'm sorry, I missed 2 pieces here. But this is how it looks like. It's a little bit dense. It has a lot of flavor. Remember, lighter, less flavor, denser, more flavor. This is why I like it, because it has a lot of flavor. Bon appétit.